Jackfruit is a healthy fruit that can be eaten with most foods. It can be eaten raw or cooked. Eating the fruit raw will have a delicious taste, and it's low in calories. You can use it to make jams and other products from fruit. It also works as a laxative. It is also used to make medicine and to treat diabetes. This fruit is very healthy, and it is helpful in treating many different diseases. Watch this video to learn more about the health benefits of jackfruit and how to incorporate it into your diet. So what is jackfruit? Jackfruit, also known as the jack, is a fruit native to Southeast Asia, India, and the Caribbean. It grows on trees. The tree's red or pink color resembles a pear tree, and the fruit's shape resembles a pineapple or an apple with tiny black seeds. The fruit is usually about 6 inches long and 3 to 4 inches wide. Jackfruit is a nutrient-rich fruit that is low in calories and high in fiber. It is a good source of vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, C, and E, and minerals such as copper, potassium, and magnesium. Jackfruit also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may help protect against diseases. Here are the best health benefits of jackfruit to the human body. 1. Jackfruit enhances and protects the digestive system. Jackfruit is a good source of fiber that helps to decrease the risk of digestive tract disorders. Fiber helps to remove toxins from the body, improving the health of the digestive system. The fiber in jackfruit also promotes healthy digestion by increasing food movement through the digestive system. It helps move food through the digestive system by increasing the activity of stools, making it easier for the body to eliminate waste products. The increased movement of the stools help clean out the digestive tract and keep your health in check. This fruit also contains an alkaline compound that helps to maintain a healthy pH in the digestive system. If you suffer from digestive disorders, you may want to consider adding jackfruit to your diet. 2. Jackfruit is excellent for your immune system. If you suffer from a cold or flu, you may need a boost in your immune system. Jackfruit is high in vitamin C, an essential group of vitamins that protect the body against infection and keep it healthy. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells. This fruit also contains vitamin A, B6, and manganese, all required for healthy immune function. Vitamin A is essential for healthy eyes, skin, and mucous membranes. On the other hand, vitamin B6 helps protect and repair the immune system, while manganese helps to produce energy within the body. In addition, the fiber in jackfruit also acts as prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible food ingredients that support the growth of probiotic bacteria in your digestive tract. These bacteria can then support your immune system and keep you healthy. 3. Jackfruit improves your skin condition. Jackfruit contains a compound called melanin, which helps protect the skin from sun damage and keeps it healthy. It is a natural source of antioxidants and is also rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, which can help to protect the skin from free radical damage. The fruit reduces inflammation and enhances the production of collagen in the body, which is vital for healthy skin. Collagen is a protein that forms fibrous tissue in your skin and bones. It is an essential structural protein for the body, so when it breaks down, it leads to wrinkles and aging. To prevent this, you need collagen, which is why jackfruit is one of the best ingredients that can help you protect your skin. However, if you have sensitive skin, you may wish to avoid jackfruit as it contains a compound called saponin which can irritate the skin. 4. Jackfruit can help you lose weight. Excess weight is one of the most common problems that people face. Many people are overweight and want to lose weight, but they are unsure how to do it. However, if you add jackfruit to your diet, then it can help you lose weight. Jackfruit contains a compound called acylated linoleic acid, which allows the body to use energy to burn fat instead of storing it. It helps you to reduce the number of calories that you consume and store in your body. Hence, you can lose weight by eating jackfruit. 5. Jackfruit helps in lowering the sugar levels in the blood. Sugar is a carbohydrate found in foods such as fruits, vegetables, and other types of food. The body needs it to function properly, but an excess of it can lead to various health problems. However, if you add jackfruit to your diet, then it can help you lower the level of sugar in your blood. The high fiber content of jackfruit makes the body excrete more water and helps lower the sugar levels in your blood. So, if you add jackfruit into your diet, you can reduce the level of sugar present in your body. 6. Jackfruit helps regulate cholesterol levels. Another incredible benefit of jackfruit is that it regulates cholesterol levels, which is good for heart health. The high fiber content in jackfruit works by making the blood work harder, and it also helps in reducing the cholesterol level. This fruit naturally has a high content of soluble fiber, which helps increase the good cholesterol levels in your body. The fiber also helps to prevent bad cholesterol from building up. If you add this fruit to your diet, you will get rid of cholesterol-related problems, which is good for heart health. 7. Jackfruit is a natural way to reduce the risk of cancer. The fruit is rich in antioxidants, crucial for fighting cancerous cells. It also has lots of fiber, essential for fighting this disease. Thus, you can take a healthy diet and follow it to fight cancer. The fruit has also been used as a remedy for sore throat and other ailments for ages. It is hard to believe, but in fact, it works. 8. Jackfruit can cure insomnia. Getting enough rest is essential for your health, and a lack of it can cause serious problems. If you are not getting sleep, it will intensify the effects in your life by magnifying stress, anxiety, and depression. To keep this disorder in check, you need to sleep well. However, you may have insomnia as well. It is a common problem that many people suffer from. You can get rid of this disorder with the help of jackfruit. Jackfruit contains melatonin, which is a sleep-inducing hormone. When you eat jackfruit, it produces melatonin in your body and helps you to fall asleep quickly. So, if you want to get rid of insomnia, you should eat jackfruit and get the sleep you deserve. 9. Jackfruit is excellent for your bones and teeth. The body requires calcium to keep the bones strong. Jackfruit is rich in calcium and helps you to keep the bones strong. You should also take jackfruit regularly as it is rich in vitamin C, which is excellent for your teeth too. 10. Jackfruit is a natural ulcer healer. It contains a compound called diaspirose, which is an antioxidant. It prevents the stomach acid from damaging the lining of the stomach. For this reason, it works as an ulcer healer against other digestive disorders, like diarrhea, constipation, and indigestion. It also helps to prevent gastritis and colitis. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 14 powerful benefits of jackfruit to boost your health. Thanks for watching and bye for now.